How to open FLV files in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open FLV files in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. So if you've ever tried to play FLV video and nothing happened or another player gave you an error, don't worry. VLC supports FLV files natively, and I'll show you exactly how to open them and play them smoothly. So make sure you watch the full video to see all the methods. Let's get started. So first of all, you could open the FLV file directly. Open the VLC Media Player and click on Media in the top left corner. Select Open File and navigate to the folder where your FLV file is saved. Click on the file and then Open. Your video will now start playing immediately in VLC. And alternatively, you can use drag and drop for an even faster method. You can simply open VLC Media Player, open the folder containing your FLV file, click and drag the FLV file directly into the VLC window. VLC will instantly open and play the file without any extra steps. And if you want FLV files to always open with VLC, right-click on any FLV file, select Open With, and you can select VLC Media Player. From now on, you can double-click on any FLV file you have, and it will automatically open in the VLC Media Player. FLV files are mostly used for streaming and older downloaded videos. And the good news is that VLC supports FLV natively, so you don't need extra codecs. If your video won't play, it might be corrupted, so try downloading it again. Opening FLV files in VLC is perfect for watching older downloaded videos, playing videos exported from older streaming websites, and quickly checking FLV content without even converting them. And well, that's how you open FLV files in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.